Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the iPhone XR mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, using a heat gun or hair dryer, apply the heat to soften the glue on the camera lens glass on the rear side. If your camera lens has severe cracks, taking out the pieces may take some time. You can use a tweezer, pry tool, knife head tool or something similar to take out the broken pieces. Be gentle in this process and use the heat gun when it requires. Once you take out the pieces, you should brush to clean the surface. Make sure there is no dust on the rear camera. If needed, gently clean the surface with a soft cloth. Next, take the new camera lens glass and place it on the lens frame with double-sided adhesive or B7000 glue. Once you have installed it, make sure it sits securely and then clean the outer surface. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.